Still blasting music through that crackling aux cable while your friends cruise with wireless audio? Your old car doesn't have to feel ancient. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best Bluetooth aux adapters that'll transform your ride into a modern entertainment hub without breaking the bank. These aren't your cheap gas station adapters that cut out every 5 minutes. I've tested, researched, and compared dozens of options to bring you the absolute best performers available on Amazon right now in 2026. Let's get started. Number 1. UGREEN Bluetooth 5.4 aux car adapter. Starting strong with the UGREEN Bluetooth 5.4 adapter, and honestly, this one checks almost every box. What immediately stands out is that nylon braided cable. I know it sounds like a small detail, but if you've ever dealt with a frayed cable dangling from your dashboard, you'll appreciate this. It's built to last. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology here means you're getting the latest connectivity standard. Pairing is instant, the connection stays rock solid even when your phone's buried in a bag, and there's virtually no audio lag. I've used this on hour-long drives and never experienced a single dropout. Now, hands-free calling, this is where this really shines. The CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology actually works. I've taken calls on busy highways and people on the other end had no idea I was driving. The microphone filters out wind noise, engine rumble, all that background chaos that usually makes car calls unbearable. Setup couldn't be simpler. Plug the aux into your car stereo, USB into your power port, and you're done. The adapter automatically reconnects every time you start your car. No fumbling with Bluetooth settings while you're trying to back out of your driveway. One thing to note though, this is USB powered only, so you'll need an available USB port in your car. If you're already using that port for charging, you might need a dual port adapter. Minor inconvenience, but worth mentioning. The compact design means it won't clutter your dashboard, and the multi-device memory is clutch if you switch between phones or share your car. Check the link in the description box for current pricing. Number 2. SONRU Bluetooth 5.3 aux adapter. Here's where things get interesting. The SONRU adapter is the Swiss Army knife of this list. What sets it apart? Dual outputs. You get both a standard 3.5mm aux jack and RCA outputs. This means you can use it in your car, sure, but also your home stereo, older speakers, basically anything with an audio input. The Bluetooth 5.3 chip delivers stable connectivity up to 33 feet. I've tested this walking around my car in a parking lot and the connection held strong. Audio quality is clean with minimal compression, making it great for both music and podcasts. The versatility here is unmatched. One day it's in your car, the next it's breathing new life into your dad's old stereo system. That RCA connection is something most car-focused adapters skip entirely, so if you value flexibility, this is your pick. Hands-free calling works well with the built-in microphone, though I'll be honest, it's not quite as advanced as some of the others on this list. The noise cancellation is decent, but not exceptional. On quieter roads, it's perfect. On highways with the windows down, the other person might catch some background noise. Still very usable, just not studio quality. The plug-and-play USB power means no battery anxiety. As long as your car is running, this thing is working. And the compact form factor means you can tuck it away and forget about it. Links in the description if you want to grab one. Number 3. Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 adapter. The Syncwire is where premium features meet smart design. First thing you'll notice is that coiled cable. It stretches up to 5 feet when you need it, then retracts to stay tidy. If you're someone who hates cable clutter, this alone might sell you. But the real star is 22 hours of battery life. That's not a typo. Most adapters give you 8 to 12 hours. This thing lasts almost 2 full days of continuous use. Road trip warriors, this is your adapter. The dual microphones with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation deliver exceptional call quality. I've had passengers forget I'm on a call because the audio sounds that natural. The voice pickup is 360 degrees, so no matter how you position it, your voice comes through clearly. Here's a fun feature, the bass boost button. Tap it and you get noticeably deeper low-end response. If you're into hip-hop, EDM, or anything with heavy bass, you'll appreciate this. It's not earth-shattering, but it's a nice touch most adapters skip. The colorful LED lights add a bit of personality to your interior, and you can switch them off if you find them distracting at night. Gold-plated connectors ensure durability and better signal over time. One consideration, with that 22-hour battery, you do need to remember to charge it occasionally via USB-C. It's not a deal breaker, but if you forget, you might find yourself mid-drive with a dead adapter. Quick charge is fast, though. Pricing and availability are in the description. Number 4. Beeitzie Bluetooth 5.3 AUX adapter. The Beeitzie brings something unique to the table, an LED display screen. Instead of guessing whether you're connected or how much battery is left, you just glance at the screen. Connection status, battery percentage, pairing mode, it's all right there. Seems simple, but once you have it, you'll wonder why other adapters don't include this. The upgraded microphone is legitimately impressive. Call clarity rivals some dedicated car speakerphones I've tested. The noise reduction handles traffic, wind, even passengers talking in the background. Your calls sound professional, which matters if you take work calls on the road. Bluetooth 5.3 provides that stable, fast connection we've come to expect from modern adapters. Dual device support means you and a passenger can both stay connected, switching between phones without repairing, perfect for couples sharing a car. The versatility extends beyond your vehicle. Home stereo, wired headphones, speakers. If it has a 3.5mm jack, this adapter works. The compact design makes it genuinely portable, too. Battery life is solid at around 10 to 12 hours, depending on usage. Not the longest on this list, but enough for most people's daily driving. One minor quirk, the LED display, while useful, is fairly bright. At night, it can be a bit distracting until you get used to it. Some users might prefer a dimmer option. The plug-and-play setup is foolproof. USB power, AUX connection, done. Links are in the description for easy access. Number 5. JOYROOM Bluetooth 6.0 AUX car adapter. Saving the most advanced for last. The JOYROOM features Bluetooth 6.0 technology, the absolute cutting edge as of this 2026 upgrade. What does that mean practically? Faster data transmission, better stability, extended range, and improved power efficiency compared to even the 5.4 adapters. The dual microphone system is exceptional. CVC 8.0 noise cancellation paired with 360-degree voice capture means your calls sound crystal clear from any angle. I've literally had people ask if I upgraded my phone because the call quality improved so dramatically. The multifunction button is brilliantly designed. One button controls play, pause, skip, volume, call answering, even voice assistant activation. It sounds complicated, but the button presses are intuitive. Single tap, double tap, long press, each does something different, and you'll memorize it within a day. Auto reconnection memory for up to 8 devices is perfect for families or anyone who regularly switches between multiple phones or tablets. Get in the car, and it instantly connects to the last device used. Seamless. The one trade-off? Price. As the most advanced adapter here with Bluetooth 6.0, it costs a bit more than the others. Not dramatically, but if you're budget conscious and don't need absolute cutting-edge tech, one of the earlier options might make more sense. That said, you're future-proofing your setup with the latest standard. Time to ditch that aux cable mess and join the wireless revolution. Pick the adapter that fits your needs, install it in under 2 minutes, and enjoy your drives like never before. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.